What's going on over here? You got two of them. Huh? Why you got two? Do you take Daddy's? What about Daddy's? You can't have any? Maddie, what do you think of that? You're still playing with yours. You still playing with it? You don't like it? Because Daddy will eat it. You keep eating a little bit off each. You are crazy, my man. You're crazy. You like it? Is that good? Daddy's alright, huh? Makes pretty good desserts. Yeah? Mmm. What do you think of that, Maddie? What do you think of that thing? Is it too pretty to eat? You're probably right. Switching. One of each. Oh, back to the other one. Yummy. Is that good? You're something. Mmm. You eat the bottom too?
She needs help.
That's right. That's right. That's right. That's right.